Hey, what's going on? So I just got back from looking for junk on the street, and there are 0 air conditioners being put out. So we're in like a heat wave. It just started yesterday. If this was last year, I would have picked up, at least 5 or more. I would have filled my whole truck up, but this year, nothing. Not an air conditioner in sight. So all I got was this dehumidifier and an old bicycle, which may or may not be worth anything. Anyway, let's take a look at this. It's a General Electric, of course, so I'm gonna bet money it don't work. Newer General Electric. That's from 2014. 50 pint. Yeah, it's probably not gonna work. It might. We'll see. But they usually don't. Especially the ones that come in like the brown cases. There's a chance this one might work, but I kind of doubt it. Let's see, it's plugged in. Let's see if the fan works. It's constant on. Can't see the buttons at all. Can't really tell if the compressor's on. Can't tell. Some of these are very quiet, and you can't really tell if it's on or not. Alright, and this is I'm going to have to take the whole case apart just to see if it works. I'm not going to sit here waiting for the bucket to fill up, so we'll come back. Alright, just got the case apart. Power. Hitting something. I think I'm hitting them. That should be alright. We're still on constant on. Really humid today, so. There is quite a bit of dust on this, but that's not enough. It wouldn't drip water. Oh, it's actually cold at the bottom. It still should drip. This isn't enough dust to clog it. Oh, this is getting cold. It's cold up to here. This would be very nice if it works, because I didn't get nothing else today besides that bicycle. Did not think this would work. Yeah, it's getting cold at the top. I think this might work. Yeah, we're cold up to here now. I think this works. That is amazing. Maybe 2014 is old enough, before their products turned complete garbage. It's getting cold at the top. I think this works. It's getting cold. This is getting cold. I think this works. That is awesome. Yeah, I'd rather find air conditioners, but working dehumidifier is better than nothing. I got a toothbrush here. These are pretty easy to sell, these dehumidifiers in the plastic cases, the newer ones. Believe it or not, the older ones are really hard to sell. Some of them I can't give away. Even though they work perfectly, people just don't want them. They think they're too old. The old ones I usually have to price anywhere from $20 to like $40. Otherwise, nobody buys them, and they still don't buy them when they're 20 bucks. This works. The top's cold. It's not as cold as the rest of it yet, but it's cold. This is cold. This works. This should start dripping water pretty quick. It's very humid. Yeah, there's water coming out. So that is good. This would be pretty easy to sell. These newer ones, you know, the plastic pieces of junk, the digital, these a working one, you can pretty easily get $75 for it, maybe $100 if it's newer than this one, maybe even more if it's a, you know, really good newer model. Yeah, this is dripping. I don't think it's going to show up in the camera. It's dripping water, trust me. Yeah, you see it? So that's a good score. Very surprising. So this one I'll just clean up while I got it apart. I'll probably just rinse out the tray. It's not too dirty in there. I don't really even need to rinse out the tray. It's not that dirty. I'll probably just brush this dust off and screw it back together and wipe the case off and sell it. Whoops. That's not good. It's got a gree motor. hard to balance this top because I still got the wires connected and stuff. Yeah, it's good enough. Whoops. Alright, so there you go. I don't want to bore you guys with this, but I don't have any air conditioners to show. I have been selling air conditioners. I've been working on cleaning them up and selling them. But I'm just not finding any. So anyway, there you go. See you next time.